Hi kids! Today we're going to learn the names of 10 different birds. Are you ready to meet some feathered friends? Let's go! This is a parrot. Can you say parrot? Parrots have colorful feathers and can mimic sounds. This is a sparrow. Can you say sparrow? Sparrows are small and like to chirp. This is a penguin. Can you say penguin? Penguins waddle and love to slide on ice. This is an owl. Can you say owl? Owls are nocturnal and hoot at night. This is an eagle. Can you say eagle? Eagles are strong and fly high in the sky. This is a robin. Can you say robin? Robins have a red chest and love to sing. This is a dove. Can you say dove? Doves are gentle and often symbolize peace. This is a flamingo. Can you say flamingo? Flamingos are pink and stand on one leg. This is a hummingbird. Can you say hummingbird? Hummingbirds flap their wings very fast. This is a crow. Can you say crow? Crows are black and they call loudly. Let's review all the birds we learned today. I'll show you a bird, and you can shout out its name. What is this? Yes, it's a flamingo. How about this one? Yes, it's an owl. Great job, kids! You learned the names of 10 birds today. Keep practicing and have fun learning. See you next time.